Hi, I'm Mark with Aimco Manufacturing. Today I'd like to demonstrate for you one of our dual gripper tools. This particular tool is handling these drive shafts, pulling them in and out of some packaging, and placing them into a tight press fixture. Now the tool is equipped with a force sensing hub, which means you don't have any vertical controllers other than the handlebar itself. This means you can simply push up or down on the H-frame handle and the whole tool will follow. Now since you're going to be going from the floor level, pulling them out of packaging, we've mounted each of the four corners with a clamp-unclamp button. The parallel jaws are equipped with both a V-jaw and a flat jaw to ensure a three-point contact and fully secure and encapsulate your part. When you're picking your part, as you lower the tool down over it, you're going to visually align the center adjustable guide over the U-joint. When it touches down, you know you've gone deep enough to encapsulate the shafts. The tool is also equipped with an anti-drop feature. This means as soon as the part is lifted off the supportive surface, the release buttons are disabled. Now being on a G-force, the tool can also be easily toggled into float mode. Simply hit the menu button, it records the weight of the part and the tool, and now the entire tool along with the part effectively becomes your controller, allowing for far more precise alignment. Switch it back into regular force sensing mode, simply touch the handle and it shifts back. More product videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit aimcomanufacturing.com. Thanks for watching.